In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print payment voucher in QuickBooks Desktop. We'll begin right inside QuickBooks Desktop. At the very top, open the Reports menu. This is your hub for pulling information out of your file in a format that's easy to work with. From there, move your mouse over Vendors and Payables and choose Transaction List by Vendor. This report collects all activity related to your vendors, which makes it a great starting place when you're trying to locate a specific bill payment. To zero in on just the payments, click Customize Report. Set the date range to cover when the payment was made so you don't miss anything. Then go to the Filters tab, search for transaction type, and set it to bill payment. Click OK to apply those settings. With that, the report will now show only your vendor bill payments within the dates you chose, which saves time and helps you avoid printing the wrong item. Find the bill payment you want and double-click it. That opens the bill payment check window. Take a quick moment to confirm the payee, the bank account, the amount, and the bills applied on the bottom half of the form. Verifying these details before you print helps prevent reprints and voids later. When everything looks right, click Print. If QuickBooks asks what style to use, select Voucher. The voucher format includes the check and the stub details that list which bills were paid, which is exactly what most businesses need for their records or to include with a mailed check. Choose your printer, confirm the correct paper or check stock is loaded, and click Print. If you use pre-printed voucher style checks, make sure they're aligned. A quick test print on plain paper can save you from wasting forms. If you're paying multiple bills at once, there's an efficient alternative that prints the voucher with the check automatically. Go to the Vendors menu and choose Pay Bills. Select the bills you want to pay, then click Pay Selected Bills. In the payment options, choose Check and mark the box for print checks so QuickBooks knows these are going to be printed. Click Pay Selected Bills to complete the payment run. Next, go to File, then Print Forms, and choose Checks. Select the checks you just created and click Print. The voucher will print together with the check, giving you clean stubs for each payment in that batch. And that's it. You've learned how to print a payment voucher from a single bill payment and how to handle a batch of payments with vouchers included.